Guys, this week has been insane, guys. Loving it, watching our students absolutely dominating it, and not only inside our program, but outside with other offers and within the local communities. So stay tuned. ALWI here, he's just absolutely dominating it. He just crossed over $7,200 in the last 7 days, guys, promoting us, other programs, right? His own offers, right? He is probably one of the most busiest guys I know in the affiliate marketing space, because he is like nonstop flying from here to Malaysia to where was he just last? He was in the Philippines last week, right? He is everywhere with his corporate job.
So ALWI, before he came to us, he has been trying to do online marketing for 6 years already without having any success. He has all the skills, but he just didn't know what's the missing element, how to put them together. So when ALWI first started with us a couple months ago, back in 2022, within the first 11 days, he made his first ever $1,000 sale while he still worked for his 9 to 5. By day 30, he made $3,500. He has never made so much money online. By day 31, he made $4,100. And fast forward to today, like Nate says, ALWI made $7,200 in just last 5 days, okay? On top of his corporate salary. Number 2, Bryce.
Oh, Bryce, he's just new to this industry. Him and his wife, Janice, they came to us struggling, trying to figure out what this industry is all about. They come into Wealth Warriors and they put their heads down, they got focused, and then they've got a few sales here and there online, but then they decided to take their skills that they've learned online and to help local companies. They just got themselves an $85,000 yearly contract doing UGC and affiliate marketing. They're helping this local apple cidery company get online because they're struggling local business. In order for them to survive, they need to get online. He took his marketing skills and said, hey, I will get you guys online. I will get you guys a funnel built. I will get you guys the marketing. I will get you guys on social media, and we'll take photos and we'll just get you going online. And they signed an $85,000 a year contract, which is $7,200 a month, reoccurring for the next 12 months. That's life-changing. That is absolutely mind-boggling.
Let me help you guys summarize what Nate just said, okay? So basically, you need 3 things, okay? How these students, they got over $100,000 results in last week, 1 week. How Nate and myself dominating all major programs out there by doing these 9 phases that we are teaching you inside the membership area, from how to do affiliate marketing foundation properly, all the way to how to automate your business and scale it to 7 figures. We break it all down inside the membership area. But if you want to have similar success like our students are doing, you need 3 things, okay? Number 1 is the clear pathway. You probably are in some kind of program. You bought some courses like me and Nate. We constantly invest in ourselves. We just recently invested $18,000 in a mentorship program. So whatever course you bought in the past, that's the pathway. The pathway is your map to show you step by step how to get where you are, from where you are at right now to your financial goal online, right? That's the pathway, your map. Second thing you will need on top of the recipe, on top of the pathway, is actually execution. There's no better way than having professional cake maker sit side by side with you. The professional cake maker, your coach, put one ingredient into the cake. You just do the same thing, okay? Step by step. Will that be easier? If you think that will help, that's the second thing. Apply to your success online. So that's why I want to show you this. This was the call we just did yesterday. We had about 30 students attended, and yesterday was done by our Wealth Warriors coach, Chris. Now Chris is teaching Facebook Organic this month on every Thursday, okay? This is actually where Mitch, Bryce, ALWI, they really hone in the skills. Most of people will just buy information and they think that information will get to where they want to be, but the actual secret is how you implement the information you get. And the best way to implement the information properly is to work with your coach step by step, okay? I do one move, Nate does one move, you do one move, okay? And next week, if you cannot figure out, we do it again. Okay, that's how our students are getting results. So that's the second thing you will need to have, is having that execution on top of the pathway. But just having this two, is not enough. Okay, you need third element. That third element will be the support. When you bought some kind of course, some kind of program, how easy it is for you to ask questions or get the answer. Three elements in order to create similar success like the students that we just show you. Okay, you got to have clear pathway, which is the course, membership area, step-by-step guide that you can follow. Okay, that's the pathway. Number two is execution. How do you execute the information that you got? Whether you got it from online, the course you bought, right? How do you execute them? The only way me and Nate is doing is to work with proper coaches. Okay, that's our program gonna help you to execute the information that you got. Okay, that's number two. Number three, which is the key element, that will be support. I see a couple members already mentioned that support is a big part. Why? Like I asked before, how easy it is for you to get your question answered. Most likely the answer is very difficult. Okay, especially if you bought digital courses, right? For you to get your question answered, you have to wait for days. But we all know, as an entrepreneur, especially for beginners, you're gonna have questions every single day. That's one thing I can guarantee. Okay, I can guarantee there will be challenges that you need to learn how to overcome them as an entrepreneur. I can also guarantee you're gonna have questions every single day. Even though you have pathway, even though you have right coaches, but behind closed doors, who is gonna support you when you have questions? Once you combine all three together, consider this is like a result showcase. Okay, this is our private student Facebook group. Because of this, okay, having clear pathway, know how to execute it properly by working with coaches. Number three, have this kind of top-notch support system 24/7. Let me show you some beginner student results.
There's Simran. She's actually crushing it. She's last 2 high tickets she's gotten while sitting in the airport ready to hop on a flight. So really not even working at her business at the time. But yeah, she got 2 high. She's gotten three high tickets now since she's joined us. She's absolutely crushing it, right? And she's enjoying it. Like her business is going left, right, and center, right? And then we got students and coaches like Chris McManny, who's crushing it. We've already gone over Mitch, who's just got himself a 20K freaking contract. And we got students like freaking Alex, man. This guy, he blows my mind on a week-to-week basis. The amount of freaking confidence this guy has gotten since he joined the Wealth Warriors community is absolutely insane, right, guys? There's students left, right, and center. There's Troy. He's gonna teach you guys Amazon influencer, right? He's literally crushing it. He got a 10K award from us, right? Our students have literally, I think, what is it? Almost $62,000 our students have earned so far just with EIE alone. So that's freaking crazy. Like we paid out last week? $38,000, $36,000 to our affiliates last week.
Yep. How these beginner students, okay, they can get results, especially, okay, we just break it down what kind of results they are getting from not promoting our programs. But now let me and Nate show you how these beginner students, they can make this 1,000 each commissions from promoting our program while they are learning inside our coaching program. Some of them, they choose to promote what we have and make these commissions by leveraging our team. How can they overcome these 4 main obstacles and get results like this? Okay, because these are the 4 main obstacles that me and Nate and also a bunch of our students had to overcome when we were brand new. That's why we designed our system, the structure that our member can leverage that help them solve these 4 main obstacles. That's exactly why these people can get results. Number 1, no credibility, okay? This apply to if you want to look for what program you should be part of, what program can really make you money. This is how you evaluate whatever program, okay? I just had a message from one of my friends the other day, right? This week, a couple days ago. And she was asking, hey, I want to join your program, but I'm worried about how can I compete with like more established marketers like you, Nate, Salvatore, right? Those big names who are making all the money. I say, don't you worry, okay? Because with our system, it's a hard-coded system, which means there's no credibility issue, okay? Once you learn how to drive traffic, people visit your link because of your content, that email gets hard-coded under you, no matter whose links that email or that lead purchase in the future. You are the only one who gets the commission, okay? So you are not competing with anybody, because me and Nate, we also had a lot of experience, right? When we were promoting other programs in the past. And sometimes when you have big names, right, that create issue. A lot of beginners, they worry about, hey, people only want to buy from you guys. They don't want to buy from me, okay? And Elite Income Empire program is here to change that, okay? Credibility can be built. Every single student inside our coaching program, they started from scratch. They learn step by step how to provide value, collect testimonials, how to build credibility from ground up, okay? What if you don't have time? That's what our Done For You prospect nurturing process came into the place, okay?
I was an off-highway log truck driver. I didn't have time, hours a day to start to get things done each day and stuff. Little by little, I had to put into my business. You don't got no time, right? You don't got no time to nurture your prospects, sit in the DMs all day. Like, you just don't have that time. I didn't when I started, right? So having it done for you, like just a system that's going to nurture your leads, that's going to talk to your leads, is going to provide value and even answers without them even having to pay for it. That's the crazy thing, right? Being able to have a done for you nurturing system. You have setters who are setting things up. You have closers and stuff, all like that. But the done for you system, if you don't got time, this is what you need. Why? Having that done for you system in the background while you're at work making you sales is what's going to friggin' help you guys advance. As you're learning the foundations, this done for you system is doing all the hard work for you.
Let me ask you a question, okay? Yes, I'm a busy 9 to 5er, okay? What if I just want to learn how to create content and blast my link out there, and maybe that would make me some money? What if I skip this prospect nurturing process?
Yeah, it's not going to last very long. I'm going to tell you right now. You guys, if you think not nurturing your prospects, especially when it comes to high ticket, you have to build them, because people buy from people, right? If you want somebody to actually trust and talk to you and be able to drop their walls and be able to trust in you to buy a product from you, you need to have that nurturing system in the background, right? Whether it's you or the company you're promoting doing it, somebody has to be nurturing your leads.
In high ticket space, you cannot skip prospect nurturing, okay? Whether that's done by yourself, product vendor, your partner, whatever, okay? They just give you the tip of all the tips. People buy from people, especially in high ticket.
No sales experience. I know I didn't have sales experience. I think I tried the Kirby vacuum door-to-door sales when I was 16 or 17, but that was my closest thing I had to sales, right? I wish I had a system that did the sales for me when I first started. It would have helped me a lot tremendously, because I didn't have time. It comes back to no time, right? I didn't have time to close sales myself. I had to send people to a product, right? You as an affiliate, your job, really, your main job is to drive traffic to that product that you're promoting, and let the product vendor do the telling, selling, and nurturing for you, right? Do the nurturing, telling, and selling all for you. That's what a product vendor should be doing, right? As an affiliate, all we're doing is taking a product and a customer and bridging the gap. When they buy, you get paid the referral fee, right? Or you're taking a problem and a solution and bringing them together, right? Same freaking thing, right? But having that sales team doing the sales calls for you, answering your leads and your prospects' questions, so they finally have the courage and they finally have the, okay, this is what I want and this is what I need. Here's my card. Let's get started, right? Having a sales team sit there and do that for you is going to save you guys not only time, headaches, but it's also going to bring more commissions and more commissions. Why? Because these are trained professionals who do the sales. No tech background. I didn't have any tech background. When I started affiliate marketing, man, that was probably the scariest part to me, was trying to get on a darn computer to try to do this, right? That's what held me back from jumping in right away, right? Is because I hated technology.
When you first started out, right, or when you join other programs, how much did you have to pay for the funnel software per month on top of the investment into the program?
I'm still paying it, but the ClickFunnels, $97 a month for ClickFunnels. But right now with Active Campaign, I'm paying about $149 a month just for 5,000 emails, right? It can get pricey for having this software and stuff, right? Which a lot of people just starting out, especially if they made an investment, they don't got that extra reoccurring revenue every month off the bat, right? Having that done for you system, especially in the beginning of your journey, it's going to save you time, headaches, and it's just gonna boost that confidence. I almost gave up my first month because I started with Builderall and the tech, it scared me. It almost pushed me away from this industry. I wish I had a done for you funnel and shit when I first started, right? This is where Wealth Warriors, EIE, we literally host the funnels and do the emails for you guys. So you don't even have to pay a monthly subscription. Your affiliate link is your funnel. You collect your emails. You can collect your emails in the back end. You can even set up your email automation so you're still being the front foremost of your brand, right? Which we always push you guys. Build your name and your brand, not us. And we even show you guys how you can take those emails from your affiliate back office, throw them in your autoresponder, and so you can nurture your leads even more.
So that's the 4 things that our program give to our students that they can leverage when they promote our program, okay? On top of learning inside our coaching program, how to be a well-rounded marketer, when they choose to promote our program help them solve these 4 main obstacles. But with us, we train you how to become a marketer, okay? How to leverage our resources to help you move faster. So you focus your energy on the money generating activities. If you want to create your own funnel, we're going to teach you how to do that, okay? But to start with, you don't have to have any technical background because me, Nate, our team take care of that for you, okay? We just spent $5,000 into customizing our funnel, make sure it's converting. We spend that money to maintain your funnel for you, okay? If you do want to create similar results like you see today, if you want to learn how to build a foundation and go for your first or next 10K online earning in next 90 days or so, right? There is a link somewhere on this live that you can book a call, book your one-on-one battle plan call with our team so we can break it all down on a live one-on-one Zoom call to show you how we do it, okay? Or you can drop comment down below, say book a call. Then me, Nate, or one of our business advisors will reach out to you and see if you qualify to do that call, one-on-one call with us, okay? So if you want to learn how you can apply this into your business, into your life, book a call down below, okay? And we will reach back out to you. If you are coachable, if you are willing to learn, if you are willing to do it together with us day in, day out, every single week, we're going to give you all the skills and we're going to show you how you can create similar results like our students.